What's up, guys? We did go to the mall today. I got 3 big unboxings to do at the end, so watch the whole thing. And I got an unbagging of some stuff we copped at the mall. So hope you enjoy. Let's get it. Welcome to Blitreviews.
Welcome.
We're gonna go hit the mall. We all got our 5s on today, so we unds'd our fire red 5s. So we're gonna be dropping some clips on that. We're gonna go try to get the girls some things. We're gonna get some jeans, some clothes. Oh yeah. And we're gonna do some shopping, get out of the house for a little bit, take a break, take a day off. She's been working, her business is booming. She's been killing it. Like, what you got, almost 600 sales in a few months?
Oh, yeah, it's like 500 and something.
500 sales in just a matter of months. So she started her little store, and I've been busy as usual. So we'll see you at the mall, guys. It's been a day or two, but guess what? I'm back and I'm rocking the fresh Sneakerhead versus Hypebeast t-shirt. Shout out Bobby Sneaker World. I appreciate the discount code. Guys, I've been waiting. Shipping's been kind of slow. I did get quite a few orders in. I got, I think, 8 boxes in. I got about the same amount still coming, or maybe a little more. But we did unds the Fire Red 5s today. And guys, all of us, all 4 of us, my wife and my 2 daughters, got so many compliments on them things. Man, we were all rocking them. We all had our light stonewash jeans on, and black and red to match the colorway. And I'm telling you guys, if you ain't rocked them, you need to pull them out and throw them on feet, because they are crushing. But without further ado, I got a couple announcements. I decided to change things on my platform. So this is how it's gonna go. I'm not gonna set obviously I want you to subscribe if you like it. And of course, hit the alerts and put the thumbs up if you like it. But as far as reaching goals, I don't think I'm going to do that. I don't think I'm going to, try to go to 1,000, go to 5,000. Obviously, we all want those numbers, but I don't ever want to get quantity over quality. So, if you pump out good quality, you're going to get the numbers anyway. That's just how I'm going to do it on my platform. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste your time. Let's see what we got today at the mall, because we did go to the mall and I did cop some fits. A couple people in the comments said, "Be lit, you need to get some tapered jeans, man. Don't rock the boot cut." So I got some tapered jeans. I got 3 pair of them. So let's see what we got, and let's see what's in some of these boxes. So let's get it. I got a couple bags full of stuff. I got a throwback Wu-Tang Clan hat. Wasn't looking for that. Guys, I got belts worth $4. So I got like 4 or 5 belts on here, to match with different stuff. I got some color belts. I've never really had any of them before. Let's see what all we got here. So I got the green, I got the gray, I got the blue, I got the black, I got the reversible brown and black, and 1 more brown. Guys, I don't know, almost over $100 worth of belts for $4 a piece. And then I got 3 pair of jeans right here. We'll pull them out and we'll do a close-up on them. Really good sale. 25% off 2 and 50% off 1. We got out of there right at $200, and I got some more stuff for my wife and the kids too. But here's these jeans, guys. Here's a close-up of them. They're the Athletic Flex. And you see they go taper down at the bottom. They are running this there. I don't normally shop at American Eagle, but like I said, I couldn't pass up on the sale. And of course, these are the same. They're just in light. And the last one is got some phrase to it, which I really like. So we'll have to throw these on right here whenever I do the next on feet. So let's get into some sneakers. Now, to start off with, let's pull out one of these boxes right here. You guys already know the security tape. You know where it's from. So let's pull out the old butter cutter and see what we got. I like having a lot of boxes, because you know what? You never know what you got. It's like Christmas when you open them up. you know, when you order several of them, when shipping gets backed up. All right, opening this box. Wow, Yeezy Supply ships really good. You got your standard 350 box, size 11. I went up from 10.5 to 11. Box reads sulfur, sulfur, and sulfur. So you got that booty pop box. Well, it didn't do it that time, but it usually makes that pooping noise. But all right, so we'll set this to the side. You know what? You know the standard paper. Let's get right to the meat and potatoes. You see it. This bad boy right here, guys. Fire, fire, fire. You either love it or you hate it. I love it. Let's pull the other one out. Jumping into this shoe, guys, you got your gum bottom outsole with the boost. I love the yellow one. I got that on my Earth as well. Come up to the midsole. You have the like, kind of like an olive almost color. Sulfur going into the upper. Going around, you have the gum bottom that wraps up right here with the pull tag. I love the pull tabs. The stitching is so good on these right here, man. They do a really good job over there at Adidas. Shout out Kanye. He does a really good job making sure the quality control is on point with these. So there's the stitching on this. This is non-reflective, of course. And I hit it with the camera and there wasn't no parts of this reflective at all. So inside, you got like a gray, it's like a, with 3 black stripes right here on the insole. And basically, you know, it's a standard Yeezy. You guys know what they all look like. But here it is close up in color so you can get a good look at it. I like that gum bottom, man. I really like the gum bottom. It's not one of my favorites, but I do like it. I like how they're doing the stripe and everything now. I love the pull tabs. I'm a sucker for the pull tabs. So I'm gonna lace this up maybe like a Cause type lace. I'll maybe do a video on that. So I never have to mess with it and throw it on foot. So that's that one. Let's see what we got next. Actually, this may be from somebody else I ordered. I got people that send me stuff that, you know, in Nike boxes, so we'll see. Opening this up. I don't usually stand up and do this, my first time doing this. So going into this, you got your standard Jordan 1 box. Ain't nothing special about it. You've seen one, you've seen 100. If you haven't seen them, what they look like. Do want the fragments, maybe a while before I get them. But look at these babies, man. These are some beautiful shoes. Shout out Kev. Appreciate it, boy. Hooking me up with these. So we're gonna pull these out and get right into it. So you got your royal toe. Going around. We got the blue outer, going to the white mid, to the white and black upper. The leather is, it's not perfect, it's not great, you know, it's not horrible, though it's right in the middle. So turning around, you got your standard Jordan 1. Color block is pretty tight. A lot of people say that they wish they would have made that black. I don't care really, you know. They want them to be like the fragments, but here's the thing: they're not the fragments, so therefore Jordan brand's not going to give us that. But you know, I'm happy with it. And you know what? These actually did numbers, man. A lot of people slept on these. I did touch a few. This is going to be the one going in my collection. Another one for my feet, but this is one going on the wall. And the wall's coming soon. The collection will be coming soon, and giveaways are coming soon. So stay tuned to that. So anyway, you got your nice Jordan wings up here in the white. I wish it was embedded a little bit more. You got this nice wannabe almost tumble leather up here. It's not as good, of course, as the SPBs, but everybody knows that. The leather up here is a little better than this, obviously. So then you got your blue toe box, and comes with 2 sets of laces. You got the black laces and you got the blue laces right here. So let's put them to the side and let's get to the next one. Gotta say something for tomorrow. So let's see, any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a box by its toe. That's a good thing about getting several boxes. You never know what you're gonna get. So let's open this bad boy up. All right, here we go. We got another Jordan. We got one Yeezy and 2 Jordans. So here we go. Box reads Air Jordan 3 Retro White / Old Royal University Orange. Uh-oh, you guys know what them are? Take the top off this baby. My bed's getting filled up with boxes and everything, so peeling the elephant print paper back. I love this paper. You got the Retro 3 mix. Pull these bad boys out and get into these. You see it, guys. These right here, straight butter, man. You got almost the Knicks or the Florida Gator color on the bottom, on the outsole, the white, the gray to the orange on the midsole, with the air bubble on the right here. The elephant print all around the heel, the toe, and the eyelets up top. This is a really good leather. I like this leather a lot better than the Royal Toes. And this leather on the tongue is really soft. You got the orange Jumpman, and you have 4.888 on the right one. So here's the right one. I'm gonna do a slow 360 so you can look. These are the AKA Knicks. The Retro 3 Knicks is what people are calling them. I'm building quite a few threes lately, guys. Y'all been watching me, you'll notice that. And I like it when they come with this old school tag right here. It reminds me my first pair I got when I was a little kid, like in '89, man, in elementary. My first pair of Jordan 4s was my first one, and that's my favorite silhouette. I like 3s, but I like 4, 6s, and 1s. But anyway, so right here you got the hang tag, you got the elephant print in 3 spots right here. Rolling around, you got those Nick colorways, pull tab up here on the back heel. And you got like some little, it's like breathable perforated leather up here, you know? And the leather's pretty good on this, actually. I wouldn't say premium, but it's pretty good. You got your Jumpman here, and as well it says 4.888 right there with the Jumpman on the insole right there. So you got these right here, guys. There's actually, these are on sale on eBay right now for around $199, I believe, sometimes $191. Shout out to Lab Kicks. They've been hooking me up. And shout out to Sneaker Jesus, he's been hooking me up. And shout out to Kev up in New Jersey. So I got quite a few people been coming through for me, and the rest of you know who you are. You'll be getting to you on the next boxes. So you got your Retro 3 Knicks. I would grab these guys, prices are going up. And as you can see, I got a huge unboxing here. And guys, I got another one over here. So, man, we got quite a few. So, well, we got 3 pairs of jeans, we got 3 pairs of shoes. So, I think we'll, and we can't forget the Wu-Tang hat. I think we'll call it a night. And once again, guys, this is how I'm gonna go out on all my videos. If you like it, subscribe. I appreciate it. And I want to be able to help you guys out and give you links and tell you how to get stuff early. And I'll be doing that upcoming soon. So, guys, stay blessed, stay lit, and let's get it.